everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And one of my absolute favorite singers, absolute favorite singers, yes, K.S. Harishankar, he has dropped a new video on his channel after quite some time. So this song that I'm going to be reacting to today is called Varkadal, and this is featuring him, but essentially this is a song by someone called Non-Violinist Project. So it's Non-Violinist Project featuring K.S. Harishankar, and the song is about gratitude, because when I read the description I actually got really excited to react to this one, because it says that it's an ode to gratitude and it's an ode to finding happiness amongst like small things that are around us. And this song, essentially, like, the video is about a young woman. The story is about a young woman who lives in the city currently but goes back to her hometown to relive her childhood memories, and is very thankful to all her childhood times, basically, because it made her the person who she is today. So yes, let's check out this song. Looking at the description, I'm guessing that this will have like very peaceful and soothing vibes. That's what my guess is, and of course ready to be mesmerized by Harishankar's vocals, though this does not have the subtitles, because when I clicked on the subtitle it says Spanish auto generated, so that's not correct. All right, here we go. Wow. Who's the actor? Do I know her? I don't know, I can't. Let me know who she is. No, I haven't seen her.
വാർക്കടൽ മാനം വെറുകെ നീർക്കണം വിണ്ണിൻ മടി
She's a big businesswoman.
വാനിൽ ഏകാംബരം തീർക്കും നിൻ മാല്യമഴകിൽ താരം പെയ്തിടുന്നു ദൂരെയുണരുന്ന ഈറനണിയുന്ന സൂര്യനിയരുന്ന സാരകം
Wow.
പൂവിലലിയുന്നു ഭൂമി നുകരുന്നു ആർദ്രമറിയുന്നു നിറവിലി മധുരം പൊഴിയും രാവിൽ മധുരം മധുരം പൊൻകിനാവുകൾ നെയ്യും നീരശാഖികൾ മാറിലായിരം കളിരിടും രാഗമാരി അഴകണിയും വാനിൽ ഏകാംബരം തീർക്കും നിൻ ചാരുവദനം നിറമേറും പ്രഭചേരും സുഖമേറും മിഴിയിൽ വരദാനം കൃപ പോലെ അവൾ എന്നിൽ നീരാടിടുന്നു ദൂരെയുണരുന്ന ഈറനണിയുന്ന സൂര്യനിയരുന്ന സാരകം പൂവിലലിയുന്നു ഭൂമി നുകരുന്നു
Oh, I did not expect this.
ആർദ്രമറിയുന്നു നിറവിലി മധുരം പൊഴിയുമീ മധുരം മധുരം പാരിൽ നിറയും
I really thought that she'll get him the plant. Varkadal.
Wow.
I completely did not expect this vibe. Is something else left? I think it will be the credits. Okay, okay. I honestly did not expect it to have like an upbeat vibe. I thought that okay, it's about gratitude and or going back to the hometown. So it's gonna be a very peaceful, chill, beautiful song. It has that vibe, but not fully. Not fully. The song has so many variations. So let's first talk about them, the non-violinist project, whoever has composed it. I'm guessing the song is by them only. Wait, let me go to the credits. Yeah, this is a song by the Non-Violinist Project, rendered by K.S. Harishankar. So, firstly, kudos to the Non-Violinist Project because this has a slightly rock. It's a mix of rock, pop, classical. There's so many things which are included in that. So it's a very good fusion song that you guys have made. So I love that part because it completely like subverted my expectation. I went into the song with a certain expectation, looking at the description, but it was completely subverted. So I really like the ending, the way it ends with the violin, and then that part comes tap tap tap. That was really nice. I really like that. Then I'm sorry, K.S. Harishankar, your vocals are always so blissful to my ears. It's at this point, I don't think I have to like reiterate the statement, but I will, because it's always great to, say words of appreciation about your singing because I love your voice. It's so soothing to the ears. I don't know, it has such a calming effect and it just puts a smile on my face. Whenever I listen to him sing, it just puts a smile on my face automatically. I love the flow that he has with his voice. It's just fabulous. And that's what I'm saying in terms of like, this is a really nice fusion song that I enjoyed. Then third, of course, the visuals, the beautiful little story. And I think it's important to make music videos like this because it's been very long that I see these kind of music videos where somebody is thinking about the past, actually being grateful and thankful to the childhood. Initially, I think when I was a kid, I used to see those kind of music videos, but then now, of course, the music industry in our country is essentially film music industry. So I am really happy that such independent videos are also made. They have, at least thanks to YouTube, that people have started making nice, good independent videos, and with such beautiful message also, where she's thankful to her parents. We see her showing gratitude to her parents, gratitude and respect to parents, to teacher. Then she goes to her friend, and then she's enjoying the nature. I think such videos, firstly, whoever thought of the concept, I'm really happy that you thought of this particular concept and made a song and a video around it. So kudos to that as well. Overall, a great viewing experience, a great listening experience. Thank you, K.S. Harishankar, for uploading this video after so long in your channel. I'm really happy that finally I get to listen to a new song by you. And yes, that was my reaction for Varkadal, and I am also thankful and I have immense gratitude. It's been just over 1 year since I started this channel, and with your love and support, it has grown to a significant number. And yes, I also bow down to all of you. I'm showing my gratitude. I'm really thankful. You might like some videos, you might not like some videos. Sometimes you might agree with my opinion, sometimes you disagree with my opinion. That's all part of being in a community and interacting with each other. I am just happy to be able to at least entertain you in some sort of way. So yeah, that just gives me happiness. And doing this, shooting the video, editing and all of that, and just that excitement of publishing the video just makes me feel very happy. So thank you all. Thanks K.S. Harishankar for this beautiful song. And yep, that was my reaction for today. I'll sign off now and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.